Let's make a creamy one-pot mac and cheese. In a hot pan, start by pouring your noodles into the pan. Then add enough water to cover the noodles. Stir the noodles in so they don't stick. I added a little more water just so that it covers the noodles. Now I'm adding a couple tablespoons of chicken broth. Stir that in and bring that to the boil. Once most of the water has evaporated, add about 2 ounces of Velveeta cheese. Constantly stir to make sure nothing sticks, and keep stirring until your cheese melts. Here I'm adding about a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Don't forget to keep stirring, and keep your heat to a medium-low heat level. Now add about a half a cup of parmesan cheese. Mix that in well. Then add a couple tablespoons of sour cream. Stir that in. Then add about a teaspoon of seasoning salt and a teaspoon of paprika. Mix that in well. Now top with more shredded cheddar cheese. Now add a couple slats of butter, then place into the oven at 400 degrees until brown or your cheese is melted. Thank you for watching. Check out my video for my lemon pepper chicken recipe. hit the notification bell, and please subscribe.